Welcome to today's video on skills-first organizations and skills-based approaches to how-to. Today we're going to talk about gathering and defining the skills data for your organization and explore the options that you may have. There are a number of ways to build a skills taxonomy, and your planning needs to include how you're going to do that effectively. I am conscious though that not every organization has the technology or a technology platform to support a skills-based initiative. Or you could be currently looking at procuring a platform as we speak. Yes, of course, a good platform will take the heavy lifting out of data gathering, collation, reporting, and with AI developments, you will get excellent direction and feeds that's based on data insights. But regardless of the technology support that you have, these are some of the things you should consider. The best approach to defining skills and skills mapping: where do you start your focus? Do you look at job families? Do you look at job levels? Do you look at an individual level? Or do you just look at the overall organizational skills requirements based on the organizational sector or ecosystem? So they are things that you need to think about. The other thing we'd recommend is you think about what level of engagement and inclusion do you want to demonstrate in the data gathering and input stage when you're building the taxonomy. Bear in mind, involvement at this stage will help with engagement at later stages when you go to implement the approach. Also, to the approach that you take to defining skills within future skills within your taxonomy, and that's what you need to think about too. So we'd recommend you look internally in relation to future skills. So you ask the job holder or the task holder, you look at scenario planning, but you also look externally. You look at research, you look at market trends, what's happening in regulation, what's happening in customer requirements, what's happening in relation to your general sector. So when gathering data, here's some options to consider. If you're dealing with technology, you might be just feeding in clean, and the important thing there is clean job descriptions into your technology platform, and that will do the work for you. Or you get your technology platform to provide you with skills data based on the insights that it has in your organization. And/or, regardless of the technology support, you might consider focus groups, surveys, scenario planning, skills libraries, or research, to name but a few. However, in summary, choose an option that will deliver a relevant, impactful skills taxonomy based on your strategic intent. However, you need to ensure that you have the right level of inclusion and consultation to deliver engagement for the implementation phase. So best of luck with whatever approach that you take.